Hello guys, today we will learn how you can contact Amazon if you are facing any issue while selling on Amazon. So the issue can be anything like you have processed your order but the courier guy has not come for the pickup. If you are facing any problem while listing your product, you are not getting any brand approval. So what is the issue going on? For any small reason or any big reason, you can contact Amazon. So while contacting Amazon, you get three options. First one is you contact them via mail. Second one is you chat with them, and third one is you ask them to call you on the spot. Yes, Amazon customer care is the best among all the marketplaces where Amazon will call you on the spot and help you solve the query. So let's check how you can contact Amazon. So first you need to come in your home page. On the right hand side you can see there is an option called help. Then click on help. If you scroll down, you can see need more help and click on get support. So Amazon will ask you two options: selling on Amazon, advertising on Amazon. So Amazon has two teams. One team helps you with account related issues. Second team help you with sales related issues. So we will click on selling on Amazon. So here you have to describe your issues. So I will write pickup not done. So whatever your issue is, you can directly write over here in your language. It's okay. Then you have to scroll down and click on continue. Amazon will give you some of the recommendation. You don't have to select that. In the right hand side you can see in small, my issue is not listed. You can click on that. Please select a category so we can connect you to the right associate. So here you have to click account related. Each and every time you can select account related and click on continue. Now here Amazon is asking me for an identifier. So I don't have an identifier. Then click on continue. So as you can check, if you scroll down, the language you have is two options, Hindi and English. Short description already the software has written for us, so you can keep it that way. In contact method, you can see you get three options: chat, email and mobile phone. So we will click on phone and we'll write our number. And I will click on call me now. So as you can see, it's showing dialing your number. Sorry, internal failure. We are unable to process your request. So I will again write the number once again. And I will click your call me now. As you can check, I have received Amazon call on the spot. The number start with +44. So on the spot, Amazon calls you if you have any query. Now I am cancelling the call right now. So this is the best way you can contact Amazon. Tell them all about your query so they can understand what are you facing and they can help you on the spot. So many of the time the waiting time can reach up to 15 to 20 minutes. So we have to wait till that time. But usually 4 to 5 minutes waiting time is what we get. But when there is 4 to 5 minutes we get. So this is the best way you can contact Amazon and get all your problems solved. Please make sure you have written down all the important points you have learned in this lecture. So whenever you are facing any issue, you have an option call me in Amazon portal and all your problem has been solved via Amazon agent. Thank you so much.